Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the right APIs. Sign into the Google account you want tied to requests, then open Cloud Console and create a new project. Once done, enable the YouTube Data API v3 inside that project so credentials can be requested. Make sure to enable billing only if you need higher quota. For basic key usage, billing is often unnecessary. This step links API access, quota, and permissions so you can generate credentials securely and track usage. Next, you create the actual key and lock it down. In Cloud Console, go to APIs and Services, right arrow Credentials and choose Create Credentials, then API Key. Once you have that string, restrict it. Add HTTP refers for browser apps or IP addresses for server calls, and bind it to YouTube Data API v3 so other APIs cannot use it. Also set usage quotas and expiration if available. These restrictions prevent unauthorized usage and keep your quota and billing under control. Finally, you validate and secure the key before wide use. Test a basic API request with curl or postman to confirm it returns expected JSON. If you see 403 or 401 errors, check that the YouTube API is enabled, your key restrictions match the request origin, and billing or daily quotas aren't blocking calls. Make sure you don't expose the key in client-side code. Instead, use a server proxy or OAuth 2.0 for sensitive operations. If things go wrong, rotate the key immediately and reapply restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.